Good morning, children. Today, EVS class. Today, we are going to see Unit 2 My Amazing Body. In this lesson, we are going to see simple movements, joints, role of the sense organs, postures, stages of growth. In this picture, have you seen Veda, Yasmin and Rita are friends and neighbors. They enjoy going home from school together. Come, let us join them. Wow, look at the ripe mangoes. Let us jump and pluck them. Here, our movements are doing jumping, plucking, hopping, bending. These are the simple movements. Children, look at this picture. They are doing some work. They are bent again neck to do this work. The body can be bent only at the joints. Yes, joints help us to bend our body to do many activities. See here, many children are doing some exercises. You can see you're bending their elbow, wrist, shoulder and knee. The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Let's see some important joints. Shoulder joint, elbow joint, wrist joint, knee joint and ankle joint. Children, let's do. Touch and see the joints of a part. There are many joints in your hands. Can you feel it? We have 206 bones. They give shape to the body. They help us to move and protect of the body parts too. Muscles. Muscles helps the bones to bend straight and support the joints. We have more than 600 muscles. Then skin. Skin is the largest organ in our body. It covers our entire body. Here, sense organs. They are specialized organs which help us to respond to our surroundings. We are able to learn, understand, enjoy all the things around us only because of a sense organs. Do you know how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. First one is eyes. Our eyes helps us to see. We see television, distance, sizes, shapes, colors and beautiful surroundings. Next one is ears. Ears help us to hear sound around us. With the help of our ears, we can hear loud and soft sounds. Children, when your mother is cooking food in the kitchen, you can smell the food from the distance, isn't it? And nose helps us in smelling things. And nose helps us to smell pleasant and unpleasant. Do you know? An elephant's trunk is actually a long nose. We are all small nose, but elephant has a long nose. The organ for the sense of touch is skin. Skin is the largest sense organ in our body. Skin covers our entire body. Skin helps us to feel the hot, soft, hot and also the pain. Sense of taste. Tongue helps us in talking and tasting. Wow, we feel various tastes like sweet, spicy, bitter, sour, salty and astringent. First one is sweet. Sweet food naturally attracts children. Isn't it, children? Next one is spicy. Too spicy is not good for health. Next one is sour. Sour food includes lemon, tamarind, and some candy food that has gone bad also tastes sour. Next one is salty. Have you tasted all these biscuits chips? We can feel the salty taste. Isn't it, children? Next one is bitter. Usually children don't like bitter taste foods. Isn't it? Some medicines are very bitter. Next one is astringent. Astringent foods numbs the tongue. Most tea is somewhat astringent taste. Here, posture. The position of our body is doing various action is called posture. Here, standing posture. We should stand straight. We should not stand like this. This is the correct position. This position is not correct. Walking posture. We should walk straight. We should not walk like this. We should always keep a body straight. This is the correct position. This position is not correct. Sitting posture. While sitting on a chair, we should keep a body in an upright posture. This is the correct position. This position is not correct. Here, lifting posture. This position is correct position. This position is not correct. Stages of growth. There are many differences between animals and human beings. Animals don't have an upright posture. They can't communicate using speech. They can't think, but we have and communicate using speech. We can think. Children, you born as a small baby. Now you have grown up. What's your age now? Yes, you are correct. Now your age is 7. Here, indoor games. Pallanguli, Tayam. These are the indoor games. Do you like to play games? Here, outdoor games. Hopscotch, top. Top is nothing but pambaram. These are the outdoor games. So, what we see? Simple movements, joints, sense organs, postures, stages of growth. All these are the amazing body. Okay, students. Thank you.